Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So if the desktop icons are not showing in Windows 11, in this video let's fix this. The first method you can try is right click on the desktop. After that go to this view option and here you will see this option show desktop icons. Click on it and this will show all the desktop icons. So this is your first method you can try. But if you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next step. Open task manager. So press control key, shift key and escape key. Press all the three keys together and you will see this option task manager. Now you have to restart this Windows Explorer service. So right click on it, right click on your Windows Explorer, then click on restart. If you are still getting the same issue, the next step you can try is click on this option run new task. Now here you have to type a command explorer.exe. So type this command, tick this option and then click on OK. Now move on to the next method you can try, open run command. So right click on this Windows icon and here you will see this option run. Now you have to type a command here. So the command will be app data. Type this command, then click on OK. After that, open this folder local. Now click on these three dots. Click on options. Now you will see this kind of small window. Click on this tab view. Now you have to select this option show hidden files and folder. Tick this option, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now you have to scroll down and you have to delete this file icon cache. Right click on it, then click on delete. So after deleting this file you have to change the settings again. So click on these three dots, then go to options. Again click on this second tab view. Select this option do not show the hidden files. Click on apply, then click on OK. Cut this window. Now again you have to open task manager. So press control key, shift key and escape key. Press all the three keys together. Now you have to again restart this Windows Explorer service. So right click on it, then click on restart. So in the most cases this method will fix the issue. The final method you can try is update your Windows operating system. So go to this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. Now on the left side click on Windows Update. After that click on this option check for updates. So update your Windows operating system. So these are the few methods you can try to fix this. This is all for the video. Thank you.